एमबीए करना काफ़ी एक्सपेंसिव हो सकता है, बट काफ़ी सारे ऐसे एमबीए कॉलेजेस हैं जो इतने एक्सपेंसिव नहीं है। ऐसे काफ़ी सारे लो फीस एमबीए कॉलेजेस हैं दैट हैव वेरी गुड प्लेसमेंट्स एज वेल। सो एन एमबीए डिग्री कैन कॉस्ट यू अराउंड 20-25 लाख, बट मैं यूजुअली आपको बताता हूँ, अगर आप टॉप टियर इंस्टीट्यूट से एमबीए कर रहे हो देन यू कैन ईजिली टेक द एजुकेशन लोन, एंड जो रिटर्न मिलेगा आपको इन टर्म्स ऑफ द पैकेज दैट विल बी इनफ टू पे ऑफ योर लोन। बट ऐसे काफ़ी लोग होते हैं जो एजुकेशन लोन नहीं लेना चाहते, दे वॉन्ट टू बी फ्री इवन आफ्टर देयर एमबीए प्रोग्राम, दे माइट थिंक अबाउट परस्यूइंग एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप रादर देन अ जॉब, सो वो एजुकेशन लोन का बर्डन नहीं लेना चाहते, and for them these low fees MBA colleges are a perfect fit. So इस वीडियो में मैं आपको ऐसे 7 low fees MBA colleges बताऊंगा, starting with a college which is considered best in terms of ROI, and that is FMS Delhi. एक बहुत ही reputed MBA institution है, all the serious MBA aspirants would obviously know about this particular college. इसका fees is around 2 lakh rupees. Obviously there are some living expenses because ये hostel facilities provide नहीं करते हैं, so you have to live outside the campus, so वो expenses है, but still it's very affordable. And इसका आप अगर median package देखो that is also above 30 lakh. Honestly मुझे इस कॉलेज के बारे में ज़्यादा बताने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. Almost all the good companies that go to IIM ABCs come to FMS as well, except probably 1 or 2 front-end investment banking roles. सारे ही roles FMS में भी आते हैं. It's a very very good college, probably among the top 5-6 MBA colleges in India. But like all good things, obviously इस कॉलेज में जाना भी काफ़ी difficult है. You need a very high CAT percentile. Probably अगर आप general engineer male candidate हो तो आपको 99.4 से 99.5 percentile लगेगा CAT एग्जाम में to get a shortlist from FMS. And at the same time the good thing about this college is कि इसमें past academic ज़्यादा नहीं देखा जाता है, like 10th score, 12th score, graduation score, which kind of becomes very important for IIM selection. However FMS में ज़्यादा focus CAT percentile में है, so you get a very good CAT percentile, you will get a shortlist from this particular college. And for female candidates slightly gender diversity points उनको मिल जाता है, तो 98.8 98.9 percentile उनको भी लाना पड़ेगा to get a shortlist from FMS. So definitely because it's such a reputed institution, अगर आप general candidate हो, anything above 98.8 for a female candidate and anything above 99.4 for a male candidate. Next college in the list is JBIMS, which is also known as the CEO factory of India, because so many CEOs have graduated from this particular college. And this is also a very good college, very affordable, 6 lakh की fees है, and the median package is around 26-27 lakh here. However, just one bad news for students outside of Maharashtra, इसमें काफ़ी ज़्यादा कोटा रहता है for Maharashtra students. That's why it becomes very difficult for any outside candidates to get into this college. So JBIMS में selection के लिए you can go through the CAT exam, but the percentile that you would need would be almost impossible. Above 99.9 percentile भी लोग reject हो जाते हैं, so 99.9 तो आपको at least चाहिए होगा, especially if you are student outside Maharashtra. But इनका एक अलग exam होता है, that is Maharashtra Common Entrance Test, and usually जो महाराष्ट्र के students होते हैं वो exam देके इस particular college में जाते हैं, so that is like more convenient for them. Especially अगर आप महाराष्ट्र के student हो, मैं definitely urge करूंगा कि आप वो एग्जाम दो, महाराष्ट्र कॉमन एंट्रेंस टेस्ट, आप डेफिनेटली वो एग्जाम दो एंड JBIMS के लिए ट्राई करो, बिकॉज इट्स अ वेरी गुड अपॉर्चुनिटी फॉर यू. नेक्स्ट कॉलेज इन द लिस्ट इज टिस्ट मुंबई, एंड यहाँ पर भी फीस देखो काफी अफोर्डेबल, 2 लाख के अराउंड फीस है. द मीडियन पैकेज दैट यू कैन गेट इज अराउंड 25 लाख, बट हियर यू डू नॉट एक्जैक्टली गेट एन MBA डिग्री. व्हाट यू गेट इज MA डिग्री, MA in HRM and labor relation. So it's a very very good college if you have decided you want to enter into HR roles. Basically I think after Accelerate this is the second best college in India for HR roles. If you want to pursue an MBA in HR, definitely you can consider TISS Mumbai. So selection के लिए TISS में पहले एक एग्जाम हुआ करता था, that is TISSNet, and वो काफी convenient एग्जाम था for anyone who is not good in quants as well. TISS एक बहुत different kind of examination होता था, so it used to be a relief for people who are not good in quants and obviously can give another exam apart from CAT as well. So वो एक safety net हुआ करता था. But from now onwards TISS will also start accepting CAT 2024 score, so you have to rely on the CAT exam only for this college. And किस percentile में आपको TISS college मिलेगा, that remains a mystery, will only come to know after this season kicks off. But मुझे लगता है because ये थोड़ा specialized college है in HR, so obviously people would be a little bit skeptical in choosing this. Only people who are very sure about the HR field, only they will choose it, and it will range around somewhere around the new IIMs. I think 90 से 95 percentile के बीच में CAT score would be required to get into TISS, but all of this depends on what students give the preference for. And before I move to the next college, let me tell you, अगर आप एक serious MBA aspirant हो, then do consider subscribing to the channel, because ये आपके लिए तो free है, but it definitely helps me a lot, and it will also help you stay updated with all the MBA related videos. So thank you for considering, and let's move ahead. Next college in the list is Delhi School of Economics, and यहाँ पर अगर आप फीस देखोगे, most of the people say आप 75-80,000 में अपनी MBA complete कर लोगे. Obviously there are certain additional expenses, so 2 lakh 3 lakh में तो आप definitely अपनी full MBA cover कर लोगे. And the median package, if you see, it's also 12 lakh, which is very decent. Obviously it's not in the league of FMS or JBIMS जिसका package is above 25 lakh रहता है, but still it's a very decent program, and obviously because it has a median package of 12 lakh, so certainly the cutoff to get in will also be slightly easier compared to say JBIMS or FMS kind of colleges. So 85 to 90 percentile आप consider कर सकते हो to get into this particular college, and अगर आप banking and financial roles में interested हो then definitely आप Delhi School of Economics को consider कर सकते हो. काफी सारे students उसी sector में place होते हैं इस college से, around 40% of the students are placed in banking and financial roles, so definitely it's a very good college for that. Consulting obviously follows that, it's around 16-20% go into consulting as well, but definitely banking and financial roles के लिए तो ये college बहुत ही अच्छी है. Next college in the list is Simshri, again another college based out of Maharashtra. इसमें भी CAT exam के through it's difficult to get in, but you can give the Maharashtra common entrance test and it will be easier to get into this college. Fees again will be around 2 lakh rupees and the median package will be 10-11 lakh. Definitely not in the top tier league of FMS, JBIMS, TIS, this type of colleges, but certainly it's a very decent college. Getting a package of 10-11 lakh, batch size भी बहुत ज़्यादा बड़ी नहीं होती है, so most of the students get placed as well. So आप ये college भी consider कर सकते हो. Next college in the list is IIT Bombay, which is also known as Shailesh J Mehta School of Management. So this is also a very good MBA college. यहाँ पर selection के लिए you would need a CAT percentile of above 98 percentile. अगर आप general candidate हो then you would need above 98 percentile to get into this college. And the only bad thing about this college is only engineers are accepted in this college, or engineers, or you can say that they have a criteria for 4-year undergraduate program. या तो 4-year undergraduate program या तो master's degree करके आए हो आप, then only you can get admission here. यहाँ पर fees is slightly higher compared to the other colleges that I mentioned in the list, but still it's very decent. 10-11 lakh में आप MBA complete कर लोगे IIT Bombay से भी, and the median package here is around 26 lakh, 26.6 lakh इनका median package है. That is also really good. And ये college specifically operations role के लिए काफी अच्छी college है. Also for the IT and analytics role ये college काफी अच्छी है. Definitely because ज़्यादा engineers जाते हैं तो obviously जो companies आते हैं operations role वाले companies भी ज़्यादा आते हैं यहाँ पर. So अगर आप operations में interested हो definitely मैं बोलूँगा कि आप IIT Bombay consider करो. 98 percentile के ऊपर आपको CAT percentile चाहिए, so you can imagine obviously all the good students would make it to this particular college and the median package would obviously be very high. Next college in the list is IIT Delhi, which is also known as Department of Management Studies, and this is also a very good college. इसका भी अगर आप fees देखो तो it is less than 11 lakh में आप MBA complete कर लोगे, and median package is also around 24 lakh. So this is also a very good college. Definitely you require a very good CAT percentile here as well. Above 96.5, 97 percentile आप अगर CAT में लाते हो then you will get a shortlist from IIT Delhi. So IIT Delhi obviously इतना engineer focus नहीं है, इसलिए यहाँ पर operations छोड़ के भी काफ़ी ज़्यादा roles आते हैं. IT and analytics के लिए ये भी एक बहुत अच्छा कॉलेज है. उसके साथ साथ काफ़ी सारे मार्केटिंग रोल्स, कंसल्टिंग रोल्स भी IIT दिल्ली में आते हैं. सो आप डेफिनेटली ये कॉलेज भी कंसिडर कर सकते हो. एंड द गुड थिंग अबाउट द लास्ट 2 कॉलेजेस दैट आई मेंशन, IIT बॉम्बे एंड IIT दिल्ली, उसमें एक बहुत अच्छी चीज़ है कि आपको IIT कैंपस का एक्सेस मिल रहा है. एंड ऑब्वियसली IIT कैंपस आप जानते हो इट्स लाइक ह्यूज बिकॉज ऑफ द इंजीनियरिंग डिग्री एज वेल. इट्स डेफिनेटली ह्यूज. आपका जो कनेक्शंस बनता है बिकॉज ऑफ द इंजीनियर्स एज वेल दैट आर देयर, द एलुमनाई है फ्रॉम ईदर इंजीनियरिंग बैकग्राउंड और फ्रॉम MBA बैकग्राउंड. सो आपका जो कनेक्शंस बनता है वो भी काफी अच्छा होता है बिकॉज यू आर इन द कैंपस इटसेल्फ. सो ये कुछ लो फीस MBA कॉलेजेस थे. रिमेंबर ये कंप्लीट लिस्ट नहीं है और बहुत सारे ऐसे कॉलेजेस हैं जो काफी डिसेंट प्लेसमेंट प्रोवाइड करते हैं एंड उनका फीस भी काफी कम है. आई विल कवर दैट इन पार्ट 2 ऑफ दिस पर्टिकुलर वीडियो. सो मेक श्योर इफ यू आर न्यू टू दिस पर्टिकुलर channel you subscribe so that you can stay updated with all the MBA related videos on this channel. That's it from my side for this particular video. See you in the next one.